Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Raj and today I'm going to be talking about predictive parsing. This was given as a systems offering in CompilerLab7 for us. So let's see. Predictive parser is something that it's a recursive decent top-down parsing technique that constructs a parse tree. So it generally does this. It takes the productions and converts them into a parse tree so that we can find out if the input is accepted or not using the parse tree. It has it, it moves on with the different types of algorithms. There are many types of parsing methods, not a predictive parser. This is one type of parsing method. There are many types of parsing methods by which we can find out if the input is accepted or not. Some are restricted to some certain types of productions, and some can be freely executed to any types of grammars. So let's see the for the following thing, we'll be taking this as a parse tree. So this is the parsing table. Normal productions will be the input will productions will be given, and we'll be giving the parsing table as the input for the table, and then our program needs to check if the given string or input is actually accepted by for for the following conditions of grammar. That is how the program needs to be done. Okay, for this we have lots of inputs, so I actually made the passing table I gave the whole passing table as input previously. As you can see over here, I give 4 terminals. That is, there are 4 terminal numbers and there are 5 non-terminals. There are 5 different productions, and the number of terminals are Q, A, B, and dollar. And dollar is compulsory must in any parsing table. So if it is like if your terminals are A and B only, then you need to add dollar even if it's not your actual terminal. That is a must. And these are the productions that I have taken. This is the primary production, that is the start production, and the A, B, C are the remaining non-terminal productions. And as you can see over here, I given with the conditions particular for S and for in is state, if the input is Q, where does the table go? What does the passing table needs to do? That is what I have given over here. These are for all productions, for all terminals, all types of conditions are represented over here. As you can see over here, once we give this as the input, the passing table is formed accordingly. So for SQ, it can opt from A, B, C, and everything. So there's a chance of A production, B production, C production coming after the input Q, and and for the remaining productions, you give them accordingly as such needed. Then I gave the input as Q, B, B, A, B. This is an input that I have given to to the system. It needs to check whether this ring is accepted by the following parse table or not. So it processes the table, and as you can see over here, it takes a stack, it takes the input, it checks it one by one and moves into the according state, and until and unless the string is accepted or the string is completed but not yet accepted. So once we get dollar and dollar, we understood that all the input gets satisfied with the state transactions, so the input is properly accepted. This is my Compiler Lab Experiment 7. Thank you.